to Channel 4 News. I'm Pasta with the weather. Today, there's a blizzard and lightning raining down from the clouds. Tomorrow, it's gonna be 40 and sunny. That's it. Welcome to Michigan. Hello, birch trees. It's blizzarding again, so guess what? It's pasta time. They told me not to say that. It's in my face. All right, well, we're out here in the tundra. They said that it was gonna be, 3 inches of snow. It's been 3 inches in like 2 hours, and it's not fucking stopping. This is actually insane. Oh my God, I love it. That is the call of the snow angels. Just getting my pump on. What's your excuse? This is the most epic and beautiful forest right now. It's insane. I love it. Although forest, not the safest place to be while there's a windstorm. I've heard a few trees crackling. Not the sound I wanted to hear, but it's gorgeous. Oh, 3 to 5 inches. Oh, it's snow yoga. Ah, I call it snowga, and then I get a toga, and then I snowga in my toga. I'm so big. I'm so tall. This was my tripod just now. Good thing my phone's waterproof, eh? We're just having a right fun time out here. I have water all over my lens.
Country road, West Virginia, take me home.
Welcome to grocery shopping. This is sick. My camera should not be on in this weather. Welcome to Kroger. The grocery store is having a disco party right now because the power is going out. I didn't plan well because I literally didn't believe the weather that it was gonna snow 3 to 5 inches. Yeah, I should have believed them. It's 10 inches. 10. Bro, I don't have any food in my house. Ice road truckers. Literally, drive safe is like just another way to say goodbye here. I can't tell you how many times someone told me, oh, drive safe. And I'm like, bye. Goodbye, birch trees. See you next snowstorm.